Hey, all my foodie friends, I hope you're well. Today we're having kind of a blizzard here in Toronto. You know what it's like in March. In like a lion, out like a lamb. Well, it's being a lion today. Today I'm doing a quick and easy pork schnitzel with king mushrooms. I'm utilizing pork leg that has been breaded by the store, and these come on sale every now and then, and I buy a package. In a pan, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil, maybe a little more. We're going to shallow fry these pork schnitzels. Now these schnitzels I've already seasoned with some seasoned salt. So, and that usually includes salt and pepper and paprika. So they'll come out a beautiful color. See, they're all done by the store. I don't have any fuss or muss with this. This is a great idea for when you have people coming over and you don't have anything in the house. Run to the store, buy some breaded schnitzels, and you have dinner in minutes, because all you're needing to do is saute the schnitzels and saute the mushrooms. It's like frying eggs. Once one side is beautifully brown, we're going to flip it over and do the other side. Don't they look good? They're absolutely yummy and crispy. And we'll go through that whole plate of schnitzels. And what you don't see here is me slicing some king mushrooms and sauteing them in the same oil as the schnitzels. It's a quick and easy dinner. If you want to add some sauce to it, you certainly can, but it's good on its own. If you like the recipe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. Just love to have you here with me. Thanks for stopping by for another schnitzel recipe to warm your soul. See you next time.